What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session. Sitting here in the morning, looks like we got MDIA up. Good morning to you guys that have already joined. MDIA, the news was kind of weak on this one. They got a new CEO last Friday. They got signed in, so I don't know if this person is like super good or if it's just hype. Because if we look at the pre-market, what it did right here from the 4 all the way up to the 7, that was a lot of motion on very weak news. So we'll just have to watch it, but it is very low float, so maybe the news doesn't really matter. It does not have any shelf registrations, and the float is 1.7 to 1.9 million. So it can get volatile, but we'll just have to wait and see. Right now it's in a downwards trend, so kind of not willing to touch it right now. But it is a cheaper stock, so $5.81. We have about 7 minutes to the bell. Monday morning. Want to start the week off good. Want to start the week off good, man. So one thing that we can note is this thing has already cycled through its float. Its float was almost 2 million, cycled through its float twice, so that's some good attention on a low float stock. So definitely interested, but don't want to jump in too early because it may be a fake. If we look out here on the daily chart, we can see right now the price is at 580, so it's in this range in here, right in here, and we'll see on open, can it hold this range? If it breaks this 523, it's probably going to go ahead and break down. That's why I put that as a support right here. Has a little bit more resistance right here. I didn't see it at first. 657 may be some resistance. Let's see, 680s. It's got some resistance up here. All right, 5 minutes to the bell. Definitely got some good resistance up there. All right, got all those marked. All right. Let me go check my down. Okay, looking good, looking good. Okay. All right, 4 minutes to the open. I drew some levels down here. These are the previous levels that it had visited. I don't know if it can hold them up. It's breaking them down now. It's got a long way back up to VWAP, which is a 666. We'll see though. All right. We have about 3 minutes to the bell. Nothing looking interesting as of yet, so I'm gonna be patient because we don't want to make Monday a bad day. Breaking on down, breaking on down. Losing my interest down here. The biggest mover on the day. It was up 60%. And you all know for right now, I'm not really taking trades in the pre-market. You know, it's just so uncertain with this weak news. You get these huge moves on weak news without the full volume of like an intraday move, maybe at the open. And I just really am uncertain with these types of trades. It's got to be some really good news for me to be trying to get in pre-market. Today we have $2,369 to trade. We'll see what we can do with that and keep it moving. All right, so it did break that level down. 564. Where is the new low gonna be? Is it gonna form a low before the 545 here? I don't know. Market is open. Okay. I'm still not interested in this one. Very strong downtrend, so you never know. But if it wants to shift to a different position or shift to a new trend, that would be nice. It's got to get back green on the day. The daily chart is looking quite not good. Got to get back green. Hitting that 550 level, cracking it. Yeah, we do not like that motion right there. We'll see if it can hold up this 523. The 523 was this point right here of support. But yeah, I'm definitely not trying to get in on this one right now. MDIA. The SPY, let's go check the SPY real quick. SPY is down, composite is down, Dow Jones is down. SPY taking a nice dip down there out of the open. I wonder is Tesla and all those following suit. I think I just clicked the wrong thing, yeah. Tesla, nope, Tesla is pulling back up, so it did dip, but it's trying to get bought back up. Doubt it. Alright, so this one did push on down there to the, is this the 23? Pushed through the 23, so it's breaking down that daily support there. It's got to come, it got to stay above that 223 level. Get back green on the day. Green for it is all the way back up here in the 570s, so we can be patient. Where is the new low here? Wow. Diving on down there to the 519s. And now you see why I wanted to be patient on this one. It is very strong to the downside. Very strong. Let me squeeze this in so we can see it a little bit better. Very strong to the downside there. Good morning, Daniel B. Good morning. So MDIA was the top mover, and it is going down on Monday morning. So we're just waiting for something else to hit the scanner. But I'm just watching this and trying to see what kind of moves it wants to make. Can it shift the trend? Came down here to the low of 515. It's got to hold up that, I think the daily resistance up here was the 20, pretty much the 20. Got to hold up the 20s here. Looking like it wants to get down through those 20s there. A lot of volume on this candle. 800,000 shares traded, has not reached a million yet. It's about to close this candle up though. Breaking down the 20s, cracking the 20s. So that's a lot of weakness right there. Not interested in that at all. Breaking down the 510s. Alright, so it finally opened up the new candle. Can it hold up this low of the 510 is what it just made. 510, 508. See if it can hold up that $5 support. Can you prove yourself strong over $5? Four minutes or 3 minutes and 30 seconds left on this candle. It's fighting to try to hold that 25, looks like, but it is struggling. Let's see if we see the 24s here snap through the 25, 26, 29. It just continues to bounce on that 25. There's a 24 real quick, so may see a little bit of movement down. Should be some selling through that 25. There it is, 22s. Somebody wants it to come up, but I just don't believe in it right now. Will we see any other low float movers on Monday morning? No real news in the pre-market. Maybe we'll get some of those technical traders we can jump in on, but we'll see. So seems to be trying to hold up that 5. We'll see where that next candle goes. What's the top side of this? High of the 537 there. 541. Let's see, 541 may be a spot. I'll take small share size on this one. We'll see, man. Don't want to get too rushy. See, it's back under 520. Look at it. Getting beat down. We'll see if it can hold up that 5. 1 minute left on this candle. $15 just looking dreadful. Okay, back up above the 25s there. So 541. 541, a break of that 570 up there. A break of this level could be entry, but it's gonna have to show us some strength. 575, 575. I tried. 576. Okay, nice. Go ahead and place an order out there. 576. Now use these as my low. Let's see, 520 will be the out point. Actually, I just remembered this thing is still red on the day. Let me wait. I'm tripping. Still red on the day, canceling that order. What's up, One Life? I just canceled the order at 575. I want this thing to get back green on the day and show us some strength green first. Was going to enter there, but wasn't feeling it. Was not feeling it right there. 576. We'll see what kind of action. Maybe I was wrong to cancel that order at 576. Maybe I'm right. We'll have to see. But I do like to trade green stocks on the day. $15 looking a lot better now though. So my entry was at the 76. Maybe it goes here, maybe it doesn't, but I want to see some action at this 1 minute 9 EMA and see if it rejects. It's looking really nice though. 75, 76. So it got up there, gives us an entry point. This high was a 64. So a break into the 70s would be where I'm trying to get. 71. This is why I'm glad I canceled that order. This thing's pulling back a whole lot. Let's see if it breaks down this bottom here. What's this bottom? 519. It's back at the 520s. Went all the way up there. Wow. This is why I want them to be green on the day already, so they have that momentum. Sad. See if it'll break down to 25s again. 27s, 29s. Okay. So the entry point is the high of the 64. Could be an entry right there if it breaks this. Yeah, it is. But it was the only low float mover today on Monday morning. ENOB. ENOB is red on the day, and it's up, whatever that is. What is this? What's the news on this one? And also, what is, okay, that's not out there. All right, let me go and research this real quick. ENOB. ENOB. All right, ENOB. Oh, ENOB is going to be a chopper. Okay. I don't know if I want to play with ENOB. It's going to be a chopper. Based on his past record. Yeah. We can watch it, but this is definitely going to get choppy. We can watch it until something else pops up. Daniel B said, "Are you still in?" NOB HIV, yo. I know I sold it at open, but it's okay. Who knows? Yeah, ENOB is not a stock that I look to trade. Even if it goes, it's a chopper. I like fluid motions. This is not going to give you fluid motions. It's going to tear you to shreds. So yeah, let me check this one where it's at now. Yeah, it's trash. Yeah, it's looking trash. ENOB, very choppy. Moving. What is the range on ENOB? Went up here to 13, 11 to 13. Range 1260 to 1077, 1091. So it's kind of squeezing down real tight. So be careful on that. And then on the daily chart, it's formed a topping tail. Nice topping tail on the daily chart. The last one was what, 1358 up here. It's up, but I mean, I just don't do well in choppy stocks. It's up 154%, and it's still trash. Let me read the news on this thing before I call it trash. Let's see, sector update came out 7 a.m. FDA acceptance of man, no, this is not pre-investigational new drug. Nah, I'm good. This type of news is not what I'm looking for. You can see a big drop here. We can watch it drop. Let's see. If I was a short, where would I be shorting this? So it's already failed this level of the 1222 a couple of times. Let's see. We have our resistance up here. Okay. We have a bottom of the 1073. Support. And what we want to do is we want to fill up. Let's see, we can add in, let's see, where will we be adding in on a short position? It's already tested up once. Let's see, 1188 is failing VWAP right there. I guess that would have been an add position, so I guess we missed that VWAP bounce down rejection. It's giving you another time to get in here on your short position, and you can actually add because it's not going far. This is a chopper. Add there, looking for it to snatch down under VWAP. VWAP is at the 1140. It is rejecting off of that 1140 right there. Can we add? That would be a small add there. Then it pushes up, gives us a nice little run back. This is just a choppy stock, man. Even for shorts, it'll be hard. Adding around this VWAP, waiting for it to break down. But I guess if you were taking a bigger share size, you could definitely profit on this one. But it's only like moving 3 cents, so nothing I can do with it. But I believe there's a drop coming. So we added around this VWAP area. It would just be a wait now, wait for a reversal. But I would definitely be playing small share size. ORPH, crazy spike a few days ago. ORPH. Okay, wow. ORPH is nasty. Wow. That is some nasty stock movement right there. Let me go and look at what it's got to offer. ORPH. That is, I don't even understand that spike. I'm gonna have to go look at the news on that. Let's see, look at the news real quick. Okay, what day was this? On the 10th. So it went into a NASDAQ halt. Orfazim addresses recent trading activity. So okay, that's why it dropped off so much. There was no reasoning for it to go up. Not aware of any material change in its clinical development condition to explain such price volatility. That's why it dropped. I wouldn't trade that anyway. If the company says there's really no reason for it to be going up, just leave it alone. Leave it on the table. ENOB, did it come back down? So we added in this position, waiting for the drop back through the VWAP. See if we can break this 1149 level, 1150 level. Yeah, straight manipulation. Probably got pumped to the moon. So we had an add down here at the 1146 for a short position, and we'll be accumulating some more short position here, waiting for the break of this 9 EMA. Waiting for this huge breakdown, baby. Waiting for the break. Can we get it? There's snapping through it a little bit. Come on, let the shorts win here. It's probably not going to go far, so even if you were shorting it, you would have to take quick profits here, or at least take half of what you put in. The low here is 1141. Waiting for the breakdown, the full break of this 9 EMA. Pulling back up now. Definitely be getting out on the this would definitely be your out point right here, the 1220. You have to, or it'll take you to the moon, possibly give you a big spike like one of these, and maybe the spike fails again. But do you really want to test your luck? So we will still be in our short position right now. We'll be out. What's the high of this? High is a 1208. So I would say a 1215 break. We'll have to get out. That 1216. It's got to fully break that 15. So 1216. Let's see what it does here. Trying to go back green on the day. Not looking good. This is where we'll be exiting because it's no longer red on the day. Okay, didn't get up there to our 1216. Is it going to stop us? And we're still safe. Okay, getting shorted right there. So we will still be in our position here. Waiting for the breakdown back through the VWAP of the 41. actually, on this weakness, the only thing is we need to see this candle close, because we don't know how much weakness there is here. 12.15 or 12.16 is our stop out. Can it get there? 12.16. Switching colors. Oh, MDIA going back green on the day as well. This one was the one that I was waiting on to get back volatile. It's above VWAP right now. We'll see if it can hold these levels up of the 575, which is where my entry was at first. But this one's definitely more volatile. So very low float stock. Getting ready to trade this one. So we'll wait for this candle to close because it's already gone up 3 times. We want to see a little bit of red here, but it is green on the day. We'll see if it can hold green. Can it hold above this level here of the 573? Support. Looking for that 573 to hold up. Breaking down a little bit. Can it hold? It's looking like it's holding there. I'm gonna get in small share size here. Let's see. Wait for a little bit of a pullback. Looking for it to hold up that 575 right here. 575 resistance right through there. Can we start to hold that level? 575. Playing small here, of course. Waiting. It's going back red on a day. We want a confirmation. This is why I was waiting for this candle to close. It's already went up 4 times. We need a little bit of red for it to fully break green on the day. But it can definitely get volatile. Let's see how far it moved. It moved from down here 510 up to the 590s. So this one is definitely looking a lot better than the others. But I want to see it hold up that 575 for confirmation first. Or at least just stay above this last red candle here, 509. Let's get green on the day, boys. Okay. Still not interested. I got to see a pullback for me to really get interested. Needs to see some red at some point. I mean, it looks good right now, but where is green on the day? Green on the day looks to be the 575. So I want to see a pullback above the 575. NOVN popping up there as well. NOVN getting up there finally. Gonna have to see a little bit of a pullback here. It's already gone. I don't like that. We see that it is in the range. We were trading this. When did we trade this? We traded this one day, I remember, but we'll wait for it to pull back, give us some more consolidation. We don't want to play that game. It's only up 20% today. Did more news come out on it? 712. The price target is now $28. So okay. We'll wait for it to pull back and try to get a little bit more. VN, wait for this pullback. Okay, so both of them are up now, but NOVN is taking the show. We'll definitely wait for a pullback. 8 million shares traded on NOVN, catching up with MDIA very quickly. All right. Waiting for a pullback, buddy. NOVN is the only thing on the scanner now. MDIA popped off the scanner. So we'll keep our eyes right on NOVN. Want to see some pullback here. It's very extended even on the 15-minute. The weekend was great, man. Just working, I guess. I mean, my weekends are filled with work. So, you know, just working, working. But it was fun work. It wasn't like crazy work. But NOVN is getting up there to the highs of the 1867. I cannot get in this high, so I'm just gonna have to wait for a pullback. It's very high up there. See if it can hold what's these bottom levels. It's got a little bit of support right here at the 1639. So support 1639 there. Maybe that becomes support, or maybe this one becomes support, $17. Right now it's a little bit too extended for my taste. MDIA fighting to get back green on the day. It just can't do it. It can't do it. It can't hold my scanner. I believe at this point people are just buying, but I'm looking for a big dip down. Huge dip down. Looking for these bars to start getting smaller to the green side. Definitely getting nice pushes here. Yeah, super nice pushes here. I guess I could have played small, but I mean, I really want to save my capital for bigger moves, especially if it gives us a nice pullback above VWAP. That would be nice. But we gotta wait for it's just too extended right now. 950 becoming that nice resistance level, getting back through it, going a little bit higher. It's not something I want to be entering just right now. Breaking down the 40s, breaking down the 30s. And this is why I stick to the stocks on my scanner, because they're all strong. Super strong. Nasty strong. Ridiculously strong. Needs to pull back. Alright, well, maybe this top will become our resistance level. Maybe. But that top is still very extended. So we'll put that in there as another resistance level. I mean, another support level possibly. Breaking the 20, man. Come on and pull back and stay above VWAP. Stop playing. This thing is crazy. Crazy. We can get a pullback. That'll be so nice. But it's just 9 o'clock, so probably give a pullback. It's just taking a while. On the daily chart, it has crossed over this top right here, which is like the 1868. So I'd like to see it hold up that 1868 up here. see, where's the next level of resistance up here? We got some at the 21. So we'll put that as our resistance. And then we got some up here. I don't know if it can hit the 26, but I guess we can go ahead and put it on there. I don't think it can go that high. Anyway, waiting for some nice pullback. Seller should be taking profit now, man. I mean, not the seller, the buyer should be taking profit at some point. But it continues to be bruh. Wow. That is some strong movement right there. Finally, come on and break the 25. Yes, break it. Stay below 25. Bro, this thing does not want to stay down. Oh my goodness, back up to the 50s. It's going to continue going. There's a pullback. This has like 10 seconds left on this candle. Should start giving us a little bit of red back through that 25. Give us a little bit of reprieve. Yes. Yes. All right. So let's just watch. Still be patient. $15-minute. Nice, nice, nice. See if we can consolidate above this level. Oh yeah, nice pullback right there. Will it give us a red topping tail up here? See if we can stay above the 1807. Nice pullback. Is this a double bottom low of 1887, 1889? There we go. May have broke it right there. Nope, didn't break it. Trying to hold up. 15-minute looking quite dangerous, so don't really know yet what it wants to do. Trying to break down at 19, but holding up. Okay. So this one's got 3 minutes left on this candle. Want to see how far this thing can pull back. Okay, where did that one hit? Did it crack the bottom there? Low of 87. Yeah, it cracked the bottom there. Okay. 2050. 2 minutes left on this candle. We need to see some. I wonder, can it because it's holding up VWAP right now pretty good. Staying above that 19 as well. Do not want to see it crack that 19 hard. Or actually we do. I mean, it can crack it, it doesn't matter. It's a strong stop. Like 2 minutes left on this candle. That top and tail has really got me thinking. On the 15-minute. Finally breaking down that 19. Let's see if we can get a fake on the VWAP, possibly. Got 1 minute left and it's pulling back into the body of that candle again. So the 25 could be a quick scalp, 26 level, quick scalp, 1926, break of that, and it's already up there. All right, let's play. Let's play small here, small ball. Looking for that 26 on the bid. Nice. Enter it right there, small. Let me get my positions up, which I don't have up yet. Up 20 cents right now. Just enter small because I like this one. But what's the bottom low is 1879. 1879, I have to be out. 1879. What's that? 5 shares. Playing small ball. 78. Be out if it cracks the low of this. Want to see some more green come in if possible. I'm okay with playing small here. See if it's a truly strong stock. Can it get back above the 25? 29's on the bid. Come on, get up there. 26's. All right. How far can you go? What's the low of this now? Low is 19. So 19's 1899. Just looking for it to get a little bit of help through the top. Does not look like it wants to get help though. Playing small ball here. Can we get back to the 20s? Need to see the 15s on the bid. 12, 13s. It's not looking like it wants to play ball. Okay, looks like I'm back at break even again, but what does this mean? Does it want to go higher or no? Can it break the 25s? I don't see 25s coming up there on the bid. All the way back down to the 10s. Need to see the 25s come back up on the bid. So this will be my new low. The low of this candle is 1888. I have to get out. 1887 just to decrease my risk here. Let's see if it can push up. Yep. Get out right at the low of this. It's got to stay up here. It's been here forever. So we'll see if it can push above the 25s. 31s. It's about to get me out here. '20s. Can we see the 25s up there? See the 24s. It's looking super weak. I'll be out real quick. 20s, 15s, 16s, 14s, 20s again. Just not seeing it, man. I don't want to add to this position either. Yeah, it is moving dollars. What is that? RAPT you put up there? RAPT. That's a little bit more expensive stock. Looking for some green here, if we can get it. Looking for the igniting candle, but we haven't seen anything get over the 25s yet. Okay, there's the 50s up 40 cents. Nice. This low will be my out. 1906. Actually $19. If it breaks 19, I'll go ahead and get out. 18.99 be a nice out point for me. Wow, immediately right back down, huh? 1890s. Could not get up there. Looking quite weak now. What does it want to do? Will it stop me out or no? Can it stay above this level here of the 54? 54 is sitting right there. Can we get above the 54? I see the 43s, 50s. Okay, so this is looking like it's going to be an igniting candle. The low is a 1906. I'll be out. 1906, and that will be a 30-cent drop off this one if it does do that. 1906. So that's my out. 1906 on this one. We can always re-enter. All Alright, got out right there. Looking a little bit too weak for me. The other one that you had called out, RAPT. What's the research on this one? Ugh, kind of choppy. Alright, so we are getting a pullback and it's consolidating on this level. Thought it was going to make a bigger move down than that, but it didn't. Did not make a bigger move. This one has about 1 minute left on this candle. We'll let it close and see where it wants to go. Did hold the body of this at the 19. So that may be a support level right there. What's the top side of this? $20 resistance level. Alright, I'll play small. I'll play small ball because I don't trust it. Can we see those? Will it break down this bottom of the 1870? A lot of selling on the tape, but it's not going anywhere, so that's a good sign. A lot more selling. Okay, there's some buying. Alright, so we'll just let that one pull back. We'll try to go down 1, 2, 3 times. $20. See if it can get up and hold the 1930s. Be the next point that I'm looking for. Now it's under the 19. So I'm glad I exited where I did. Still riding right above VWAP here. Let's see. And we start to hold the 19s. Looking like it's possible. Okay, I'm liking it. So this is our new bottom, 1878. It is staying above that 19. So we got 4 minutes left on this candle. Holding the 1901. Let's see what kind of action it gives at VWAP. VWAP is at the 1842 right now. It's 40 cents away. Still holding up this level here. Okay. Entry point, let's see, 1920s. possible. Anybody get any trace on NOVN? Went up. I played small ball here because I did not want to lose a lot of money, because this thing is very volatile. This move right here was from the 1662 all the way up to the 19. So it's a $3 move up. And then right here, 2042 down to the 18. That's a $2 move down. So just playing small ball today, because this thing is not playing any games. Low of this is the 1862, trying to get back down to VWAP. Let's see if it breaks 1843, which is VWAP. Is this a reversal? Slowing down around VWAP though, losing that momentum right at VWAP. So I'm getting interested here at that 19 level. Let's see if it can break back over 19. 10-20. 5 seconds left on this candle. New candle opening in just a bit. Let's see what kind of action it gives at that 19. $75. Will $75 break down? $75 holding there. Nice. Getting bought up. Can we get back into the body of this candle? Yes, we can. Alright. We'll play small ball here. See, we got to break the 19 first, though. Did not see a break of 19 there. High of this one was a 1901. Super fast then. Getting in right there. I'll be out at VWAP 1843. If it can't continue higher. Well, actually, what's the low of this? 60s. 60 level. I'll be out at the 60 down here. Wow. Looking for it to get through that 19, if possible. We'll be out at the 60. Gotta stay above the 80s. Looking for it to get bought back over the 80s. There it is. Alright, I like that. May add a little bit here for a move up. Adding there. Be all out at the 60 for 10 shares. Trying to see if it can get up, get going. Can it break into the 90s? '80s. Can we see those 85s back up there on the bid? 78s, 80s. Can we get back into the 80s? We see the 80s. Can we break? Nope. All right. Coming on down. Coming on down for me. Not doing what I wanted it to do at all. Oh, there it is. Look at those buyers coming in there. Nasty, nasty. Look at them. I like it. Let's see if we can get up and get out of here. Will this be an igniting candle? The low will become my out, which is a 75, so I'll get out at the 74 if it can push. Come on now. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's going down. Looks like I'm right at the 60. Hasn't hit me yet. Alright, dove down there. It looks like I got a little bit of slippage on there too, I believe. It was a fast little dive. Yeah, 78 cents. I was at the, got in at the, where was that entry at? There's a little bit of slippage there on that dive. $10 sale, 8.15. Bought at the 890s up in here. Okay, I'll take that. Can we finally get back up? 15-minute looking heavy there. Can always get back in. That's why I'm playing small right now, because if it does make a move, I know I'll make all that money back very quickly. So 1844 getting hit there, not really giving us a nice move off of VWAP. But I am very quick to take when I'm playing small share size, because why lose all your money on small share size, right? And it definitely on big share size too. So I guess I'm just quick to take. Alright, so it did not give us the moves that we were looking for. RAPT still going up. One Life says RAPT. Yeah, huge moves right there. Nice little grinder. RAPT, positive top line results for 1B trial of something. Monotherapy, atopic dermatitis. So this is a lotion. Lotion, what does it do? What does this lotion do? Clinical stage small molecule therapies for patients with, okay, so it's for inflammatory diseases. Okay, so it's a topical application for inflammatory diseases. That's cool. Definitely going higher though. It's looking like it wants to go even higher. Just not my taste. Okay, so we are right at VWAP right now. Do I want to enter again and try it again at the 1880? I don't know. I think I do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try it again. See if we can get some motion. Or you know what? I may let this candle close and let the next one open, because I really would hate for it to go red and just continue down time I buy like it's doing now. There's some buyers coming in there. $41 top. Okay, we're looking like we're moving here. I like it. Let's see if we can hold this level of the 80s. We are. Enter a little bit there. Can we hold the 90s? We'll be out down here on the bottom of the 829 right now. Looking to add 829. 829. Boy, this thing is so up and down. 829. Okay. We'll sell out of that if it can't go. EF. Okay, this one is a nice low float mover as well. $6 down here. What's the news on it? If there's no news, focus, market, partnership, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, I'm not interested in that. This one should be stopping me out soon. Did not stop me out there. It's under VWAP now, so I'm really not trusting that one. Let's go look at EFOI. It's getting some volume. Now it's got to do a pullback. So again, with the fake outs. Okay, this one here I'm going to probably add a little bit above the 60s if it can push there. Can I see the 60s? Looking for our 60s. Or it may just go ahead and break down as a 3-bar play here. Bottom is 815. Breaking down VWAP. Got to bounce above that VWAP. Can we get it? Nope. Gonna stop me. Man, I wanted to play this thing too, man. Nice move down right there. Alright, what do we have here? Nice breakdown. Okay. Guess I could play this one small till it pulls back. Can we get a little bit more pullback through that 50? It's the bottom here. The bottom is the 6. Wow, this thing's moving. Oh, it's a cheaper stock too. I'm gonna wait again. Got almost $2,000 left to trade. Be patient, because I don't want to buy the top. Let's go ahead, and I haven't done any kind of research or anything on this one, but it is a very low float. EFOI. Looking like it has a float of 2.99 million. $3.48 million. No shelf registrations. So 3.48. So about 3 to 4 million in the float. 3 to 4 mil. All right. Did you get some of EFOI? Or what are you trading? Still trading RAPT? Yeah, RAPT, you would have had to get out on that. It's about to make its move down. All right, EFOI has a top up here of 819. Resistance. All right. Can we get a pullback at all? So this one has news on the day. It's giving us a pullback here. Not a really strong one. We have 3 million shares being traded, so that's kind of light volume. This one got down here, trying to form a little bottom at the 1825 support. Have to keep our eye on that one as well. Forming a nice topping tail there. Does not look good there. It's got to hold up this level of the 639, which is 20 cents away. Okay, NOVN. Are we ready to settle out? Are we going to be able to get back above this level of the 60s? I wanted to add to the 60s last time. I'm done for the day. Money in hand. Got you. Holding that 1844 VWAP. Add it there. Be out at the bottom of this. What's the bottom? Bottom of this is the low of 1817. 1815. I'll be out. There we go. Add it right there as well. Be out down here at low 1817. 15. Let's see if we can finally get going upward. Been waiting forever for this thing, man. 1815, I will be out. Looking for this thing to hold the VWAP and get up. $65s. Wow, come on, man. 1844, not holding that VWAP up. Getting major rejection. Okay, bounced off of it there, back over the 50s. Gotta hold the 50s, 60s. Come on now. Go ahead and push through that thing. Okay. Another try to break that 75, just not working for it. Okay, 70s. Can we get up quite a bit or no? Okay, 1883, 1885. So this is the igniting candle. This will be our first out. Up 39 cents right there. Up to the 19. Love to see a little bit more motion upward. Hopefully it can hold that entry point. 18, 19, 94. 48 cents. Guess I could have entered a little bit bigger, but I just didn't know about this stock. See if it can hold up that level. Stay above the 90s would be preferable. 90s, 92, 97. See if this stock can get me back green on the day, if possible. Nice rejection off the 19 there. All right. Can this become an igniting candle or not? Okay, closing that. So right now, break even is going to have to be my out. 64.70. 1870. 1870 would be a winning trade. 74, I'll be out here because I don't want to play it. It needs to go if it's gonna go. 19's up 59 cents. It's nice. Can we hit that 25 and get through it? Right now it's a green trade either way it goes, but I want to see a little bit more push through that 20. 30s. Looking to move up if it'll allow me. $31. It's the bottom of this candle is the high. I mean the low of the 84. So the 80s, breaking the 80s now is my out. All right. 76 cents. Kind of figured it was going to get a little bit of pressure there. Want to see a little bit more upward. Can it hold that 19? Bouncing off that 19. Can we get back over the 10s? $25s, can we see them? 25s. Looking like it's coming on down heavy. Can it hold up this little level here of the 1920s? Is the question. 1920s. 22, 25s. $21s, $31s. Can we push up there to the 50s? Looking like it wants to get the 50s. Nice. 56. All right, so I'm gonna move this up to the 25. 1925 for out, all out. Just in case it snaps down, I will be out because I don't want to play this game. It needs to get through the 50s. Alright, took the 71 cents there. Could not hold up that $0.25. Came down and snapped. We'll wait for another pullback. I didn't like that weakness anyway, so let's see. Holding up the 20 right there. Can it hold the 20? Can we look for another entry here? Nope. Breaking down the 20 right there. Gotta hold up that 20. Okay, I do see some higher numbers coming in there, breaking that 20 down. Ugh, I don't like it. That was a nice little game there. I guess 59 cents is okay, but I did take some losing trades as well, so trying to get back green. Okay, can we get over the 20s? There's the 20s. Do we want to wait for a pullback here above VWAP? I think I'm going to wait. Even if it is strong, it's just going to go without me. I want to see a pullback above VWAP to show me that it is changing the trend. Because it is holding up those 20s quite nicely now. See if we can hold up that 25. 25 coming on. It's a big spread. There we go. Okay. Starting to like it. It's got 25 there, but nothing else. Yeah, I was about to say nothing else was coming up. Should have went to the 26, 27, 28. But we'll wait for a pullback. Okay, there's a nasty little pullback right there to the 9, but it is above the VWAP. 1917. Okay. Okay. Can we hold the 19 for this candle? Seeing the 1893. Okay, looking like it can hold up the 19. 3 minutes left on this candle. 1903s. It's a hidden buyer or seller at the 19. I don't really know what that thing is. Okay, I like it. $19.07. Can we break out of the 10s? There, entered right there a little bit. I'll use this low as 1870 to be out. 1869. Go ahead and get out. Right through there. EFOI is back up there as well. Oh no, it's not. It's under VWAP. Okay. Can we break the 10s again? Need to see 11 there. Add it there. 10 shares. Out down here on the 1869. 10 shares. Looking for a push above the 10s. Got a high of the 1961. Draw as resistance up there. Got that resistance. Will it fail here? Can we get over that 15? Don't see any 15s there. Okay. 27. Can we touch that 1964 is where I'll start to take some profit. We can get over the 25, that would be amazing. Don't see any. It may drop here if we don't get over the 20s on the bid. 21, 17 may drop here. Yeah, I'm not seeing the 20s. Okay, there's a 20. Can we get more 20s there? Nope. About to drop. Let's see if it can break down that previous bar. If not, we're still in a good position. Did not break down the previous bar. Looks like it wants to try for this high of the 1939. We'll see. Can you get it? Looking for those 20s. See 10s, 11s. Can we see some 12s in there? 12s. Can we see some, 17 popped up there real quick. That may have been a short position. 13s up there. NOVK, yeah, it does look okay. Until now. Time you said it looks okay. Oh man. This candle goes red. I'm really not gonna like it anymore. I want to see it get back up above the 19s. Will it get me out here? Looking like it wants to. Yep, it's gonna get me out. It's getting close. Gotta get bought up. Can we get back into the 90s? That's the only thing that'll save me here. TSP. Let's see. Got to get back into the 90s. It's not going to do it. It's going to stop me here. '80s. Stop me out right there. It's okay. Small little loss. Didn't jeopardize too much there. This topping tail really is taking my breath away. It did crack the bottom of this candle. What they say the price was supposed to go up to 28. I don't see it. Let's see if we can hold up VWAP. VWAP is at the 1852, which is what it got down to. I want to see it start holding this 90 level, 1890. There's 1891. Can we stay in the 90s? Would love to buy at the 95. Taking right there at the 95. Be out at the VWAP 1852. 1850. 1850. Be a sale on those 5. See if we can hold those 90s up. 90s. Can we see 91? Don't see it on the bid yet. 86. 82s. Can we get the 90s back in there? Break the 50, I'm out. Want to see the 90s. There we go. Can we get the 90s on there? Can we get into the 90s? Does not look like it. $85s. $83s. Not looking too good. Stop me out at the 1850 here. Out right there. Another little small loss. It's not giving me what I want. It's not giving me what I want. RAPT did go on down. EFOI did go on down. So NOVN is literally the only thing on my charts right now. But it's just so volatile. Let's see. I don't know. Can NOV give another move? It's holding out. Got this top of the 1964. Got a nice bottom at the 1834. So got a little bit of a range here. See if we can hold up the 50s. I would definitely be interested in buying back into the 90s though, over the VWAP. Okay, I like it. Can we get into those 90s? About 1 minute left on this candle. Let's see how it closes. Trying to hold up that 9, which is the 70s, 73 area on the 1 minute, which it is doing. See if it can hold up those 70s. About to close this candle up in a couple of seconds. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and take here. Yeah, take here, small. Take again, and let that play to the 1831. 1831. It stops me out. Oh well. I like it a little bit too much. 1830s needs to stay above that. Be my sell spot down here. Let's see if we can start getting out of here. '85s right now, 90s again. I like it. If I see 91, I may add here. Yeah, I'm gonna add right there. 15 shares in. And VWAP will be my all out at the 50 on these shares. Actually, wait, 1831 was where I was. 1830. We'll see. We'll see if this thing can muster up some strength again. Wow, come on now. Holding up those 90s though. Add it there one more time for 20 shares. Want to see it push through that want to see it push. Looking for it to get out of this level. Back into the 90s. Can we get the 90s? 81s needs to jump up to at least the 85s to hold it here, or it's going to boom down. Looks like they want to get me back green on the day. Let's see if it can do it. It's above VWAP. Nothing but space and opportunity above it. Nice. So this will become my new, what is this? My new out is the 1817, the bottom of this candle. I mean, not 1817, 1874. So right down here. Holy Jesus. Come on, bro. Trying to stop me out immediately, huh? Wanted to see you get a little bit of help through there. Come on now. Hold that thing up. Stay above 19. Do not want to see it fail again here. Needs to get some help above that 1910. Don't like it. Come on, get back over the 19. That's the only thing that's going to keep me in this one. Not looking good there. This one goes red, I'll be out. Stay above that 19. 19 getting some hard rejection there. $19.10 getting hit just a little bit, but not enough. Not enough, man. It's like 15 seconds left on this candle. Can it get back above the 19 real quick? If it can't, it's probably gonna stop me. Three seconds left on this candle. There it is. So my out is the bottom of this candle. Can't risk any more than that. Can it push through the 10s? Questionable stock here. Okay. So this one will be the new bottom coming here. And that'll put me right almost at break even. Can it push above the 19.15 is the question. Don't see it on the bid. 19s. There's some buyers coming in there. Nice. Alright. So we're at 46 cents. We're almost green on the day. Alright, so the bottom of this break even could be an out for me. I'm gonna let it play though. If it goes red here, that's just gonna take me all the way out the game. Needs to hold that 25. There's 50s right there. Nice igniting. The low of this, let's see, we'll go ahead and take at the, what's the bottom of this? 1903. So break of the 19 will definitely knock us out of this one. 1899 will knock us out of this one. So it's a winning trade no matter what, but we'll see how it wants to play up here. If it can get back to the 20s, that would be amazing. Green on the day as of right now. Top side 2045 up there. Let's edit this, change this to red. So either way it goes, it's a green trade, but it does need to push. It's gonna go. Can we break the 70s? Wow. Don't know if we can break the 70s here. But as of now, I'm in a good position. Gotta hold those 50s up. $51 on the bid. Can we get into the 60s? We don't know yet. 60. Alright, 1925 is going to have to be my out so I don't lose all profit. 1924. 1924. If it comes down more than that, it's over. Taking at the 25, it pops down all the way there. Can we get that 45 back up there? Okay. Will this break the 25? I'll be out if it does. All right, out there. Just did not like the way this thing was moving. Got very, very heavy at the top. All right, let's see if it'll dip a little bit below. Nope. Looks like it still wants to go a little bit. Yeah. Add a little bit there. Nice. Can we break the top? Okay, shows me red. I'm out. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Above the 70, I'm looking, wow, pop back down. Let's see if it shows me red here. Okay, did not show me red. Adding there, looking for the pop out. We can get it. If it shows me red, I'm out. Come on. There we go. Taking a little bit of profit right there on the top. Did not continue like I thought it would. Taking a little bit more off. Just cutting it down because I don't know if it can stay above the 75. Taking a little bit more. Red, I'm out. Yep, out right there. Alright, so that was a weird mover. I really thought it had the room to explode, but ay ay ay. See if we can get back into the 70s. Can we hold those 50s? This one has 3 minutes left on this candle. Looking a little heavy here. We may see a pullback again. I'm just not seeing it, man. Just not seeing it on this one. It's a little dip right there. Let's see where this one wants to go. Really had my hopes up for it, but the market isn't a place to hope, so whatever. Could have easily gave me like a 30-buck rip or a 40-buck rip, but a lot of weakness. So the struggle point seems to be 1964. Okay. Show me green and I will enter. Show me green right there. Let's see if we can get some movement up off of that green. It's 1950. I will exit if it makes any moves down or any more big moves down. What's the bottom of this? The low is the 1924. Like I'm gonna have to get out of here if it can't get back up through that 50. $19.20s. I'll be out. Trying to be patient with this thing, but it's just testing my patience so much. Show me green. Show me green. And I'm out. Could not show me green right there. Wait for a dip. How far is this dip gonna go? Just opened up this candle, so it's kind of hard to tell. NOVN, man, giving some nice little fake run-ups. It's got a little range in here, but it is building upwards to try to retest this, so hopefully it stays in an upward trend, but it looks like it wants to go for scuba dive real quick. Kind of flatlining here as well. We see how much volatility it had here, and then it went down, and now it's kind of just a little flat. See if it breaks. Tried to go up 3 times. 1, 2, 3 on the 15 minutes. So it's going to be hard to overcome that top. 1893. It may actually break down VWAP right here. But I did try. It was the only low float mover. Gave it a try, but whatever. I didn't take any real huge losses on this one. I took a big gain of 59 cents was the biggest thing I got off of it, but I also lost 78 cents to the opposite side. So okay, get a nice pullback right there. 42. Can we get that 43 on the bid? Because I'm starting to like it here. Yeah, I think I want this one. I'm gonna add some right there. See if we can dip down a little bit more. Nope, not gonna give it to me. Can it get over the 20s? Don't see the 20s on the bid yet. Has a bottom here of the 1880s. I'll have to get out. 80s for that. 1880s, I'll be out of there. Can we get above the 10s again is the question. What's the body of this candle? The body of this candle is the 1880s, which I think is where I put it. 1879 is where it should be. 79. 1879. Okay, so that one's in. Add here as well. I'll be out with this one at the 90s. 1890s. If it wants to pop up, great. We'll be out quickly though if it doesn't. Can it pop off of that 19? 1906, 1909s. Sold my full position RAPT trade plus 200 bucks. I did okay. Probably done for the day plus 430. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. See if we can stay over the 19s, or will it break down here? May break down on me. This is my all-out point. Let's see, the low of the 1890, 1889. Can we get that pop? Nice. So we'll see how much we can ride. It hasn't started calculating me in yet. Don't know why. But I will be out through this bottom, no matter what. Out right there. Can't risk it. I think I'm gonna have to walk away from this one because it's just too choppy. It's not getting any movement back up. Not getting any movement back up. But oh man, I like it so much though, man. Yeah, I may have to walk away from this one today. It's beat me up a little bit too much. Not really. I mean, overall I'm only down like maybe 10 bucks. So I'm just cutting my losses quick. Is it trying to make another low here? Pulling back off of that low again. Can we start to hold up to 19? I like it. I like it. I like it. See if we can hold up that 19. Yep. Enter right there. See if we can get back over that 19 again. Yep. Like it right there. This will be the new out. 1881. 79. It's new out. So as long as it holds that level, we should be okay. It's almost right at VWAP anyway. So we'll see if we can get some movement up off of it. If I can see 15 back on the bid, I definitely add here. Don't see the 15s yet. Wow. Come on now. Over the 10s, possible add. Okay, add it right there. Oh man, I hate doing this. Alright, because I do not know if it's going to come down and rake me over the coals. But I do have a nice selling point now again. Come on, buddy. 1864 is the VWAP. How much would that be? That'll be 40 cents on these 15 shares. 1864. See if we can get one move up. Can it get over the 1910s? It's the only thing that hasn't broke VWAP yet. 1860s, 1864, 1863. So I'll do a VWAP play here. Okay, so this has definitely got to be my bottom then. I didn't think it was going to move up right there. So 81, I got to be out because this could be a 3-bar play. 79. Alright, I'll be out past this bottom here. This could be a 3-bar play. If it fails the 3-bar, then it's okay. If it stays above that level, see if it can get bought up here. But it's got to fail that 3-bar play. Doesn't look like it's going to though. This looks like a 3-bar play, an actual one. So I'll be out right here at the 81. Yep, out right there. Actual 3-bar play went through. Man, today was red day, but with managed risk. It bounced all the way back up here. Let's see if it can get back over the 92. How many minutes? It has 4 minutes here, so it can definitely still go down a lot. I don't know what this stock wants to do, but I do like this range. It's got a nice range here from the 1992 down to the 1835. Still in an uptrend as well. See if we can get back over the 1911. I'll look for ad spots. 1911. Why? Looking for back over that 1911. Gotta get back over the 19 first. 3 minutes left. Or 2 minutes left on this candle. Just not something that's getting a lot of upward movement, so definitely taking some patience. Can we break the 19? Nope. Okay, I like it. Adding there. See if it can hold there. Adding again. We'll be out at the bottom here, low of the 73. 73 for those shares. Do a breakdown of the 70. Like it, I like it, I like it. A whole lot. Add it right there as well. 73. So 70. 15 shares at the 70. Alright, well, let's let that play. So I like the setup, especially if we can get going green. It literally bounced way off of VWAP. That's why I added right there. But you know, this is the last, or Yeah, this is looking like the last trade of the day. Got bought up really big and then failed the 19. Can we get over the 98s? Wow, come on now. Ay, ay, ay. Well, I gave it all I could today, so nothing else I can do on this one. Yep, looking like it wants to take me out. Ay, ay, ay. Got to get back above the 90s here, or I'm out. Well, it's over, dude. Getting heavy right there. Heavy on the 15 and heavy on the 5 is going to get me out here. It's going to get me out. Trying to pull back up. Can we see the 90s? Woo. It's about to get me out here. It's a lot of selling going through right there. Wow. Getting bought up though. That's insanity. $85. Can we see the 85s up there again? 85s. Can we see 83s? 84s? Come on. Getting bought up right there. Looks nice. Hopefully it just doesn't slam on me. Yep. Looks like it's going to come on down on me. It's too weak to this side. If I was a short, I would definitely be adding here. So it's probably going to stop me out soon. There's no buyers up there at 86 right now. 83. Come on, man. There it is. It just broke. About to get me out here and out. There it is. Too much weight right there. I'm walking away from this. I can't. It's not the worst. It's not the worst Monday, but I was expecting it to definitely do a little bit more movement up. We'll be back tomorrow morning. Let's go through my realized gains and losses. I think all of my trades were over here. I only had what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good trades, and then followed up by a small share size. I'm glad that I sized down on these because I really just did not trust those moves. But yeah, that is my trades, and then my transactions over here, which have not refreshed. A lot of buying with a little bit of selling. Anytime I'm buying more than I'm selling, it's probably because I'm red on the day. Literally. But I'm down what, $15, $20, $22. $22 on a Monday morning, which isn't that bad. It's just $22, but still it's a red day. Still, it is a red day. Okay. Yeah, I am glad that I sold this and I'm not holding the bag here. Definitely transitioning to a downtrend. Not looking healthy at all. But I did give it a bunch of chances to get through this 19 level or 1964 level. Just did not give me the move that I wanted. But I am definitely done for the day. So let's go ahead and get ready to shut down. Let's see. Let's stop looking at this dying stock and just see me. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you are on YouTube. If you're on Twitch, you can follow. We'll be back tomorrow morning. Today, red day, 20 bucks. You know, 20 bucks is better than what I would have had if I took 100 shares. But trading a choppy stock, saw choppy stocks all around the market Monday morning. Glad One Life got that nice stinger out of the market. But anyway, I am going to check out for today and go and make $20 back doing something. But anyway, you have a good one. If you're going to continue trading, please be careful. Remember, it is risky. Manage your risk. If you're okay with losing $20, make that your risk. If you're okay losing 150, sure. But keep your red days small and make your green days plentiful. Anyway, signing out. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.